right here. I'm Kobe Klein, owner of Speed by Design Unlimited Bagger. Today we want to show you our electric billet hinges. Today we're going to show them to you on the bike Vengeance. At Unlimited Bagger, we take a lot of pride in the products that we make. These are our electric billet hinges. These hinges are not meant for the beginner installer. These are a super advanced install and should not be purchased if you cannot handle the work or do not know someone that can. These hinges require that your bags have no external flanges, which make the bags look a lot better. The flanges have to roll to the inside. The hinges are made of 6061 T6 billet aluminum and are anodized black in most applications. Again, do not buy these hinges if you do not know what you're doing. I want to show you how these hinges work. We have Allens here that loosen, and this is slotted, this piece is slotted. So it gives you ultimate down adjustment. So when you install these, you leave them loose on the out, you leave it so it's not pulling down hard. Once you get it installed, you can pull down more and more by slipping this and tightening the Allens. Again, you have adjustment down here, up and down and left and right. Before you bolt it down, you can pivot it left and right to get it to touch down more here or here. I hope you guys enjoy these. With them open, you can see the hinges and their detail. The seals are rolled to the inside. The bag aligns on these, the lid aligns on these as it comes down. You have a 1/8 inch air gap on the stuff that I build all the way around. Again, we take a lot of pride in this. For more information, go to www.speedbydesign.net.